बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बिश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा अल्लाहुम्मा फ़क़िहना फ़िद्दीन आमीन. Students, in previous class we have completed our exercise 1.1. We have learned how to write our set by three different ways. Today we are going to learn the different operations of set. Operations on sets. The first operation of sets is union of two sets. The union of two sets A and B is a set consisting of all the elements of both the sets without any repetition. Again, what is the union of two sets? The union of two sets is a set which consists all the elements of both the sets, but must take care that there should be no repetition in union of two sets. The union of two sets is denoted by A, U, B. This U stands for union. A, U, B, and read as A union B. To understand the concept of union, let's see the following example. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equal to 1, 3, 5 and 7, then find A union B. Now, how we will solve this question? First of all, we will rewrite our set A and we will rewrite our set B. Now, students, we have to find A union B. A union B. First, we will write set A. Then we have to put sign of union, that is U. Then after that, we will write set B. Now, A union B is equal to, now in A union B, we will combine all the elements of both the sets. In A union B, we will write all the elements of set A and all the elements of set B. So we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the elements of set A. Now come to set B. 1 already there, so we will not write 1 again. 3 already there, so we will not write it again. 5 is already there, so we will not write it again. 7, so we will write 7 because 7 is not already there in our set. Students must remember, in union or in any set, there should be no repetition of number. We will not write here 1 twice. 1 is there, 1 is there, but we will write only once 1. 3 is here, 3 is here, but we will not write here 3 two times. We will write 3 only once because in set we don't have any type of repetition. Now students, see the next operation of sets, that is intersection. Intersection of two sets. Now what is the intersection? The intersection of two sets A and B is a set consisting of all the common elements. Intersection of two sets consisting of only common elements of both the sets. The intersection of two sets is denoted by A, and this is the sign of intersection, and then B. When you invert U, it becomes a sign of intersection. A, sign of intersection, and B, and we read it as A intersection B. Now let's see the following example to understand the concept. Example: if x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and y is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, find x intersection y. This is the inverting form of U. So first of all, we will write x again, we will write y again. Now we will find x intersection y is equal to, first we will write set x, then we will put the sign of intersection, then we will write set y. Now students, in intersection you have to write the common elements only. Now 1 is here in this set x, but 1 is not here, means 1 is not common between them. 2 is here, 2 is also here, means 2 is common. So we will write here 2. Now 3 is here, 3 is not here, so we will not write 3. Now 4 is here, 4 is also here, so we will write here 4. we have written all the common elements of both the sets and leave the remaining elements.